So, as we have seen that your previous two papers have been done for UGC NET examination, आपके दो subjects के paper हो चुके हैं, and we came to know through students that they are asking a lot of questions from your Indian logic portion, especially from Rig Veda. Now you know that the last year June paper 2025 had also asked you about how many hymns were there in Rig Veda. So today's lecture is all about Rig Veda. जितनी details हो सकती हैं that I'll try to give you. First of all, Rig Veda is the oldest book, okay? Oldest book compiled in 1500 BCE. That's right. It's not written. It is compiled. ये मैंने आपको पहले भी बता दिया गया था. That is why we call it Samhita, to compile. ठीक है? Then there are 1028 hymns in Rig Veda and around 10,552 verses are there. Because this number is ambiguous, that is why the question doesn't usually arise from this area. But ये पूछा गया था आपसे last year. Then the Rig Veda is actually divided into 10 books. Those books are called mandalas, okay? 10 mandalas are there. Now, the next important thing that you should remember about Rig Veda is that the last mandala of Rig Veda, that means the 10th mandala of Rig Veda, is divided into two parts further in Purush Sukta and in Nasadiya Sukta. Purush Sukta talks about your cosmic being, okay? Cosmic being or Virat Purush, okay? We call it Virat Purush also. Virat Purush, the cosmic being. Through your the body parts of cosmic being, there were 4 varnas created. What 4 varnas? जिसमें आपका समाज divided था. For example, Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya and Shudra. They were made or believed to be born out of the parts of Virat Purush. Okay. Then there is the other part, Nasadiya Sukta, that talks about the creation of the universe. Okay, creation of the universe. Please don't forget, I am giving you very important information about Rig Veda. The next important information that you should remember it, that, and this question was also asked in GIC exam recently, that Rig Veda talked about immortality, but it never talked about moksha. मोक्ष के बारे में ऋग्वेद में बात नहीं की गई है. Okay, next important thing about Rig Veda is that there are 33 categories of deities mentioned in Rig Veda. 33 koti devi devtas are there. The 12 Adityas are there. Then you have 11 Rudras, 8 Vasus and 2 Ashwins. Okay, 12 Adityas, 11 Rudras, 8 Vasus and 2 Ashwins. Please remember that. Then you have next important information that first mandala was compiled by a sage called Madhuchanda and his family. Okay, the second mandala was compiled by Grit Samad, again a sage, and his family. Okay, third mandala was compiled by Vishwamitra. I know that you must have heard the name of Vishwamitra. ठीक है, कहाँ सुना था बताना. Then third mandala also mentions your Savitur god. Okay, Savitur, Savitra, Savitri or Gayatri mantra. Okay, so this comes in your third mandala. Please remember. Then the last important information is that there are order of mantras. ठीक है, Rig Veda tells you that in what order you have to worship or pray to those 33 categories of gods. Okay, the first position is held by your Agni Devta. सबसे पहले किसकी पूजा करते हैं आप? First of all, you worship Agni Devta. Okay, you invoke Agni Devta. Then Indra Dev, then Varun Dev, and then other deities like Som, Mitra, Vayu, Ashwin, Usha, and Surya. For this particular question, you have to just remember one trick, that there were 3 most important devtas. They were Agni Dev, Indra Dev, and Varun Dev. So I hope this lecture helps you. Please must recall these and must go through this once.